Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I have this pretty cool piece here with me for a quick review. This is the F3 by Dave Curtis Custom Knives. Really cool piece, guys. This is gonna be 7.75 overall inch length, 4.25 inch long handle, and 3.5 inch long blade. It is a pretty cool titanium frame lock. Look at this, the milling going on this scale over here with the flame anodization on the flats, custom pivot, dual anodized. There's some purple going on the outside and blue going on the inside. Very thick titanium slabs. Badass, one of the best cool looking backspacer. Look at this, the jimping going on is insane, like a nice mohawk. As well as the jimping going on over here. Would you look at the crowning of this spine and the Damasteel going on in this blade? I mean, it's beautiful. This is the medium size F3 custom clip with the target sign going on. The grip really cool. Action is very good. The sound is also pretty nice. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.